Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can open links directly in apps through the Firefox app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Firefox app. On the bottom right corner you can see here these three dots. Tap on it. This is the menu. Tap on the settings on the bottom. And here, if you scroll down, here you will have this option, open links in apps. And if you tap on that, you turned on. And if you would like to turn it off, you just tap on it again. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.